What is up, my crypto legends? How is everyone doing? Good morning. Happy Thursday. Hope you're doing good, guys. Let's analyze the situation here for Bitcoin to see what has happened. Where have we actually broken? Where are we bouncing from? Where are those opportunities to actually make some huge gains here in the market? And we're going to analyze the rest of the cryptocurrencies, guys. Good morning. How is everyone doing? Hope you're doing extremely well. I just want to go quickly here through what has happened to Bitcoin. Yesterday we were analyzing the situation here of this kind of descending wedge. Okay, while I was doing the live stream yesterday, we were trading around about this area, and we had, you know, the scenario of actually breaking the resistance or actually getting rejected from this level. Okay, we were already hitting the trend line. Okay, getting rejection from this range. So the possibility of the price of Bitcoin getting rejection from this level to come down at least to this area, at least to round about the 618 levels, all right, creating a potential higher low was very, very likely. This was mentioned on yesterday's live stream, getting that possible rejection. Okay, also breaking. I did not make any trades here. Where I did trade, I did a quick scalp. Okay, I just mentioned it in the Telegram group. Okay, it was just my personal scalp that I took. All right, was actually trading the 618 from this level to reach the 618 from this high over here. So I did a quick long scalp here. It was the only trade that I took. All right, but it wasn't mentioned. It was just one that I took. And also, what we did talk about yesterday, if we did have that breakout from this resistance trend line, where were we going to get rejected, guys? This is super important because this is stuff that I mentioned. If you have your levels marked up, you know, be ready for potential trades. We were talking about this last lower high from this descending trend line, okay, of this resistance. The biggest point of control was at these levels. Okay, we can see it right now at this level. It was at this level also yesterday. And, you know, the possibility in getting a rejection from that 22,200, 22,300 was very, very likely, at least to round about the 50% Fibonacci from the lows, or to round about the trend line, okay, where we could get a bounce as support. And this is what happened, guys. It is what happened, all right? Yesterday's trading opportunity, It was pretty fast. I gotta say, I did not take this trade. I did not take this trade because I like to, you know, wait for a consolidation, you know, wait for a potential reaction. This was very fast. This is looking at the 15-minute chart, okay? Looking at the 15-minute chart. But there you have that rejection from this last lower high, from this big major point of control. It was at these levels also yesterday. And, you know, you can see it here on yesterday's video, looking for that rejection at that same lower high after the breakout of the trend line. Of course, we did have that correction first, but then broke out from the resistance and exactly got that rejection from that 22.2, 22.3 area that was mentioned on yesterday's stream. It was a quick one, okay? So yeah, this one bears, if you didn't get this with a limit order, you probably didn't catch that quick drop. What also happened here is that looking at the 15-minute chart, we did actually get that bounce from this resistance trend line that turned into support. Very difficult trade as well, because if you take a look at the 1 hourly chart, it's like a big massive rejection. It's a risky one. It would have been a risky one. Looking at the 1 hourly chart, a lot of wicks. A potential big rejection here. I wouldn't have traded this, of course. I wouldn't have traded the support bounce when I see these massive wicks on the 1 hourly. I would have just stayed patient to see what is happening. So looking at the 15-minute chart, guys, and I'll go through the comment section right away here, just after looking at Bitcoin. So we got the bounce. We got the bounce, gained the highs that we created, but where are we getting rejected right now? Where are we consolidating, and where have we failed to break resistance? You guys can see this. It's a major daily level right over here. The green horizontal line is a major daily level. Look at this right over here, where we have had support in the past. On the 13th of June, we have had resistance with a little bit of volatility, but we've had resistance. All right, this was on the 14th of June. So broke the trend line, and we are consolidating here. We did consolidate early this morning. Of course, I did not trade this. I was sleeping, but we did get a pretty nice consolidation at this range. If we go to the 1 hourly chart, this is one of my favorite time frames to look for day trades or small swing trades. 1 hourly and 4 hourly is my favorite time frames, because that is where I defend myself better for trading Bitcoin. And you can see on the 1 hourly where you did get that rejection. We had a kind of a small swing failure pattern right there, big rejection from this daily level. And you might, somebody, you know, people that haven't been paying attention, what is this daily level? Why have you got this green horizontal line that has been respected several times, closing on the 1 hourly below this range, okay, or above as support? Well, this horizontal line is from December of 2020, okay? It's a daily level from a low range that was traded back in 2020. This large consolidation for a week that we had was from December of 2020, and the daily closes and the daily closes and opens from the highest point and the lowest point is right over here. This is why I got them, right? From the closes and opens. So if I just fast forward, zoom in here on the 1 hourly, these levels have been pretty much respected. Hang on a second. I want to get this. Right. Not managing to, it's too early. I need another coffee. So yeah, you can just see this right over here. We are getting rejected from this range. So lower possible. Is this a breakout? Is this signs of a reversal? Are we going to come down and retest the low $20,000 area? Or are we going to manage to actually find support and continue back up for this relief rally? So this is something that we are going to analyze. Where are the potential levels? Because this pump has been pretty nice. Are we going to manage? We need to find out what major support levels where the price of Bitcoin can actually bounce. Let me just take a look at the 15-minute chart and analyze here where we could get a potential bounce, because one of the strongest levels also looking at the VPVR from the last 4 days traded approximately, we got a spike here. We're not managing to get above it. It's kind of the value area high. You can see after this mountain here at the 22.7 volume, you know, is pretty low on the VPVR. So that is what is holding this major resistance also. We got a very nice spike here on the VPVR from volume traded, you know, in this range. So we take a look at fib levels from this low to the high. You know, the 618 is exactly at this spike on the VPVR. Let's take a look at the VPVR also on the dailies. You know, we do have that. This is looking at the 15-minute chart, guys. This is potentially for a day trade, for a kind of a scalp. You know, enter a trade, protect your position very fast. You know, the biggest volume profile, the point of control from yesterday is exactly here at the $21,100. If the price action starts coming down aggressively and we do see several candles reacting at this range, then these major consolidations might be holding the price. These lows, you might get a small liquidity grab below this area and you probably be hitting the 618 for a potential leg up right there. If you look at Elliott wave theory also, we have got the extreme low here. We have one wave to the upside, 2, you could say this is 3, 4. Are we going to have another attempt? And then, you know, this might be the good shorting opportunity where we're going to have another leg up and then get a massive rejection. So yeah, I think a potential bounce from the 21.1, 21.2 could be very possible. We got a nice point of control there from yesterday, right there. It is the 618. If we do get a small reaction here, it might be a good long opportunity. Only if we do get that reaction, of course, because you know, a lot of people might place limit orders. If I place a limit order here, we might have the price just absolutely slicing through this level. Okay, there is also a possibility. I only take a look at the opportunity if we do get a reaction at that range. What is a reaction? Well, it's several candles on the 15-minute. It is a few maybe on the 1 hourly, and you can see a reaction where the bears are not managing to break this level in the immediate short term. So I mean, the same thing like what happened yesterday. Yesterday we were talking about this potential resistance level, okay, potentially getting rejected. It was very possible. I think we were hitting the 618 from this drop, okay, you know, just getting that reaction from this level. You can see on the 15-minute not managing to have a 15-minute candle closing above the 618 was getting that reaction on the 15-minute chart. If you go to the 1 hourly, you do have a couple of candles also at that range before having that major drop. So the reaction is there. So yeah, this is what I would say, you know, have a reaction at this level or a potential quick long. Now, of course, if you are long in this area, where could you get take profits? Definitely at the 618 from the major drop. 50% 618, I would be aiming just to protect your position, take some profits, protect your position and try and ride the potential retest of these highs, and maybe slightly a few candles right where I would be taking profits just after the breakout of this range. If that makes any sense, of course. That is kind of what I see on the charts. That's where I see the major opportunity. Let me just go through the comment section, say hello guys to everyone. Make sure to smash up that like button on your way in. Of course, if you are newcomers here to the channel, absolutely crush that like button, and let's continue here. Let's take a look at the comment section right away. Just to be clear, I am in no trades on Bybit at this moment. I took that small scalp position from this pump to the 618. I was slightly in negative, then came back up and exited right over here. It was a quick move, okay, before the actual Fed meeting, okay. Afterwards, we did get, you know, some pretty nice volatility. And only trade I'm open here is on Prime XBT. I got crude oil and natural gas. No more trades. I made the live show. Pac-Man, how are you doing? Hi, Stanko. Good morning, Andy and his crypto legends. Ben Engine, how are you doing? Donald Trump is Satoshi, says Solon Garuga. Okay. I don't think Donald Trump is Satoshi. Good morning, legends, says Vincent. How are you doing? Hemaraj, how you do? Jov, let's go. Sashin, hey Andy, have some trading signals. You have some trading signals, or do I have some trading signals? Well, yesterday was pretty cool. Yesterday was pretty cool. We did get that quick rejection from this range. It was very, very fast, of course, but we did get rejected. This is the thing, once you have your levels marked, if you all depending on how aggressive you either jump in a trade or you miss the trade. But it was a quick rejection from this 22.2, 22.3, quick rejection down to the actual support. Of course, this is definitely a take profit area, guys. I know a lot of people, they struggle to take profit. They struggle to protect their position. They struggle to cut their losses. They struggle to take profit quick, okay? And this is absolute key. The risk management is key, guys. If you're not fast with your capital, you basically, if you short here, then you get this move. You might panic sell here because you're in negative or your stop loss is hit. You need to be very, very fast. Take profits as much as you can, guys. This is one of the best things I have done actually the last year of trading, because I am learning every day. Also, I've only been 5 years learning technical analysis and trading. First couple of years was an absolute mess. It just has to be. As long as you don't lose much capital, then you will survive. And the best thing I've been doing the last year is just taking profits, protecting position, taking profits, protect your position, take profits, protect your position. And if you do that consistently, then your capital is like, your trading account does grow. And you're like, yeah, this is just because you're taking profits and you're protecting your position consistently, and trying to get into the best high probability trades. When we mark these levels, guys, just realize how kind of perfect this entry is. It's not perfect because we didn't get the consolidation, but just realize how you can step in that trade, and you can step in, all right? You're shorting here at a resistance zone that we mentioned yesterday with a VPVR, and you're also taking profit at a support where you could get that bounce. So, I mean, we actually taking profit at support, and you can actually decide if you want to long that support, of course. So, if you are a fast trader, if you are a scalper, I might do 1 or 2 scalps maybe in the week, or 3. It's just I don't feel comfortable to consistently do enter and exit trades. But yeah, I mean, I'll definitely for the competition, we'll be doing some crazy scalping. We'll be doing some absolutely crazy scalping. If you are new here and you're not in the competition for the Bybit World Series of Trading, wow, you need to join my team right away, and the Telegram group. Only people that are going to join the team can join the Telegram group. We are currently 137 people here on the team, as you can see. I've got the link down below, okay, below the Bybit link for joining the competition. Only for people that have got over 500 USDT, okay, Tether, inside of their account can join my team. We are going to absolutely crush it, guys. And only people that are joining my team for Bybit can join the Telegram group. A few days before the start of the competition, I'll be asking for the numbers, okay, of what is your number on the actual competition, okay, just to go, because it's not fair, guys. This Telegram channel is only going to be open for those 20 days, all right, because we want to absolutely crush it. We do not want people, okay, talking about whatever. It's only going to be trading opportunities, all right, looking for those opportunities, and also looking for scalping. I will be doing a lot of scalping for the competition, of course, looking for those short-term trades, getting pretty aggressive on trades. All right, I might be doing some limit orders also. We'll be focusing a lot in, you know, actually getting into those small scalps, okay, with high leverage to get into these quick movements on the market, rejection on the daily, you know, just take the trade, wait for that reaction. All right, I'm going to be, you know, very, very active. Okay, you know, I probably would have taken this short, probably would have taken this long, probably would have taken a short here. So yeah, make sure to join the team. Okay, anybody that's interested in actually getting a huge prize pool, yeah, join. I'm going to focus to be in the top 10, and if we can be first, then absolutely wonderful. I'm going to be full on, okay, but at least in the top 10 to be recognized, okay, as good traders. So if you haven't joined Bybit, you can join Bybit with a link down below. You get up to $4,050 worth of bonus, all right, only for those experienced traders. If you're not experienced, do not trade, or if you're not experienced, you know, just risk a tiny weeny bit of your capital, okay, to get going, because actually losing a bit of money is good. So then you know what to do and what not to do. Who loves the morning stream, says Naveen. Absolutely wonderful. Good morning, Manoon. Brody, yo, Andy, just woke up and watching the stream. Brody, absolutely fantastic. Yeah, I mean, this is going to be an early stream because it's an early stream because I have to do some stuff afterwards. Let's see if I can do another update in a few hours, but I've got a busy morning. This is why it's early. I've still got this this voice from waking up just less than 1 hour ago. We need to moon already because I'm bored, says Football Dream. Yeah, absolutely. BFF, how are you doing? Good morning. Risky 2112, how are you? Rio Al Pacino, hi. What's up, Andy? How are you doing, my man? I'm doing very well, Job. Thanks for asking. How are you? Smash those legs. Crypto AL. Let's scroll down, okay. Hello, everyone. I'm not going to go through all of the comments. Felipe, how are you? Felipe, one of my strongest supporters. Scotty, thanks for joining. I got Joseph and Mark Dutch, my strongest moderators here, giving it all. Let's not just read random comments. Let's take a look at some cryptos, guys. Good morning and thank you for joining. I am learning. I've got Pac-Man. Wow, Pac-Man. I know this is a nice comment already. I am learning so much from your videos. No one else makes it simple to understand like you do. Appreciate these videos, Andy. Woohoo! Insane. I got a super chat from someone from Pac-Man just giving me a very nice compliment there, saying that he's learning very, very much from my videos. Absolutely crazy, guys. This is so nice. So nice to see. Absolutely incredible. Let's rock the boat, says Masego. Pac-Man, thank you very much for those kind words and for the super chat. Very much appreciated. Okay, I really enjoy this, especially when I have comments like this. Absolutely insane. Morning streams are the best. Such a good start to the day, says Job. Yeah, absolutely. Scotty, Andy, can you do a quickie on ADA? Absolutely. Let's take a look at quickie on ADA. Let's take a look at ADA. Let's do a little bit of a few-minute analysis on ADA to find out what have we got on the chart. Let me just see. Hang on 1 second. ADA, let's take a look at ADA. Right. This is the daily chart. We're probably going to use another chart here. Hang on 1 second. Hang on 1 second, because ADA is getting rejection here from a major level. If we did take a look at ADA yesterday, you know, I've got these boxes here. Hang on 1 second. I mean, we got this major support level that we got perfectly rejected. If we go to the 1 hourly on ADA, I guess you want to know the short-term analysis on ADA. It's in a hard situation right now. Of course, your best scenario just a few hours ago, it was 3 o'clock in the morning for me, so I definitely couldn't have taken this opportunity. But we did have this major support range on ADA, which is exactly at 54 cents. You can see it here on the chart, okay? This is where I do have this box, okay? Keeping it simple with support and resistance levels. You do see, all right, the more reactions you have at that level, okay, you can actually extend this box to this range, right? You do see that this 55 cent level it's a major zone. The price is actually respecting this area. So just a few hours ago, we got that rejection. We hit that level. We hit it once right over here. I mean, this was also a beautiful short position. You know, this happened on the 12th of June. So we did get that solid breakout from this major zone, the 54 cent, and we got that beautiful rejection. What happened right now? I mean, this was a little bit of a risky short, but it was a potential scalp, okay? Scalp day trade. Why was it a scalp day trade? You are coming back up here to one of the strongest levels from the last, couple of months. This is looking at May and June. This is a pretty large zone where we do have some major levels that have been respected. So if you come up at a resistance zone when you are pumping like this and you are seeing these kind of wicks, okay, there is a little bit of a consolidation here while you are hitting major resistance. You can assume with this kind of price action that you are getting exhausted. If we go to the 15-minute chart, this is already price exhaustion. This kind of volatility here on the 15-minute, this is not solid bullish momentum. It's kind of exhaustion. The more candles you create while you're going up, the more signs you can see that the price is getting exhausted, especially when you're hitting a major resistance zone. So this just I'm just going through what happened a few hours ago. We can check out right now what could potentially happen, what are the most importance. But first of all, let's find out where we're coming from, so to see where we can go. So we got that rejection from this level. This is the 54 cent range. What is happening right now, what ADA also created, was a kind of a double bottom scenario, right? We created a double bottom scenario right over here. So we got this bottom and we got this bottom over here. We've got this major resistance zone that was broken here, a little bit of a consolidation. Of course, I wouldn't have longed here, and I wouldn't also long this range. I mean, this is a very hard one. I got to say, this is a very hard one. We are getting we are getting this rejection from this range. This is a very difficult one. Very difficult one. We can get supported from this level, eh? We can get supported. I mean, after this could be a kind of a bump and run scenario where you do have the aggressive drop. Double bottom scenario, you are going to consolidate at this range, and then you have a breakout and a larger relief rally. It does look like it could potentially do that. Just a quick analysis here, guys. Slow analysis, sorry. We could get this bounce from this range, okay? It's a little bit of a risky one, but it can get a reaction from this level and try and attempt to break the highs again. The highest probability trade on ADA would be a solid breakout from this zone. Right, let's find out high probability trades right now, because trading the zone is a little bit too risky. If ADA does manage to get a pretty aggressive pump in the next coming hours, few days. If ADA does pump, remember, I am looking for short opportunities. I'm not looking for longs. Only looking for longs, of course, if we correct down and bounce out of support. right? This is the only way to trade the crypto market, in my opinion. If you are a breakout trader, I am pretty sure you got wrecked many times. Breakout trading on cryptocurrency, you know, doesn't work always. It's not an incredible strategy because there are a lot of fake outs. But anyway, ADA, taking a look at major levels, major opportunity levels. We've got one right over here. You know, another reason why we are getting this rejection from this zone, you know, that it's a value area low from the volume traded here the last, you know, 10, 20 days. So we can see the value area low right there, getting that rejection. But most importantly, guys, where is the opportunity? I think, you know, this is a major opportunity. We can see there's a solid support level at the 58-cent range. So if ADA does have a pretty aggressive pump in the next couple of days, we might consolidate. If it does manage to break to this level, this is a major rejection level. It's very likely going to get rejected. We've got a solid support range. We've got a major spike on the VPVR, and it doesn't matter what the price action does. We need to find out where can we get rejection if we start pumping like crazy, because you're going to get a bunch of people saying ADA is pumping, ADA is looking bullish, and you need to be ready for that rejection. Where are we getting ready for that rejection? In the case of ADA, we're looking at the 58 cents. It's a big spike on the VPVR, solid level. And if you want to add, you know, one of the best confluence that there is, you get the Fibonacci retracement from the top here of this major drop that started on the 8th of June till the 13th of June. And, you know, just like magic, where do you think the 618 is? Where do you think the most respected Fibonacci level is? It is exactly at the 58 cents, guys. It is at the 618 is at 58 cents, where we do have the strongest spike on the VPVR, where we do have very solid bounces as support. So ADA suddenly starts, you know, making a massive bullish action. You are gonna either wait for a consolidation or jump in, because the probabilities in getting rejection from this level of the 58 cents is extremely high. You know, the probabilities in getting rejection here, I would say, is at least 75%. You are going to get rejected. 25%, you know, of chances getting a breakout from this zone. So if you do, you know, that is an insane opportunity. I'm actually going to put an alarm here. Hope, you know, it's funny because I do get a bunch of messages when it's midnight, okay, when it's early in the morning, 2 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the morning. Of course, I do not trade it, but if it happens during the day and I'm awake, you know, I will take a look at the reaction. It's funny because I do set a bunch of alarms, you know, on some altcoins at some levels. And then, you know, early when I wake up, I got a bunch of alarms. They've all been hit, you know, midnight or 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, no opportunity taken. But like I said, very good level here on ADA, the 58 cent level for that major opportunity. Okay, just looking at the zones here. 618, big spike on the VPVR. You have seen in the past, it's a very much respected area with a little bit of volatility. If you do get this, I mean, this is the kind of consolidations that I want to see. If the price action does consolidate, look at this. I mean, this is a reaction. This is a consolidation from a level. You go down. If you break up, you come down and you get that consolidation, you go back up. If you come down and you get a reaction, you go back up. Of course, you need to learn how to take the trade, just take profits quick, because, you know, people get excited when they are in profits, and they might just say, okay, I'm going to leave the trade just in case, you know, we go to higher levels or lower levels. And this happens to me. This is why I take, you know, 50% of profit, 70% of profit. I like to ride something, you know, just in case you do get that, you know, free ride. If you do protect your position and you just close, you know, 60%, 70% of your trade, you have 30% there. You protect your position. You know, what if I do get that free ride to higher levels? And this was what happened on Bitcoin. I'll go straight away here on ADA right now. You know, where was that? You know, this was an insane shorting opportunity that we found out on the 12th of June, guys. If you're an old subscriber, do you remember this insane trade that we talked about on the 12th of June? You can check out the video or the live stream. I'm not sure if it was a video or a live stream. This was an absolutely insane trade. My target here, I closed 50%, or yeah, I think it was a 50% on my trade from this shorting opportunity at the 28.1 entered a short here, massive confluence right there. We had the support bounce, we had a big spike on the VPVR, we have the 618 right from this high to the low. Okay, 618 level, getting that reaction. Look how many hourly candles closing there. Big rejection opportunity. We got the resistance trend line, of course, giving us that extra confluence, pushing the price down. I took this short to, you know, it was absolutely insane. Where did I take 50% of profits? It was at the 27.7, I think. Right about round about this level. It was a quick take profit zone, just because there was a big candle here to the upside with some pretty high volume, you know, and we did have, you know, this resistance level that could have get a reaction as support. Of course, I wouldn't have longed this, because if you long this level, you are fighting the trend. Remember, guys, trend is your friend. We try to go with the trend, and basically I took 50% profits here, protected my position, and I got into a free ride to the downside. It was a free ride, and yeah, it was an absolutely crazy ride to the downside. I can't remember where I closed, but it was definitely an 8-to-1, you know, something like that, something crazy. You know, risking 1 and gaining 8 times what you're risking at the end. Okay, it wasn't 8 exactly, because I closed over 50%. It must have been, you know, another extra 4-to-1 from my risk. So I mean, this is the thing. We trying to get into the best opportunities. And talking about ADA, okay, back to ADA here. You know, only if we do get up there, guys, only if we do get up there, I do see a major shorting opportunity at this 58 cent level. We have the possibility in actually not going to that range, but it's a big major level. So let's of course, your question is, if I do, hold on 1 second, let me just put Fibonacci here correctly. If your question is, you know, ADA, big spike on the VPVR, 58 cent level from the last 20 days traded. You can see big support. You can see the 618 from this major drop. If we do short this level, where would you take profits? Where are you taking profits? Well, I can tell you already that it is very likely to at least come down to the round about the 54 cent. I mean, it's only a 4 cent move, but if you're looking for day trade scalps, it's more than enough. You know, if you take this level and ride it all the way down to 54 cents, which is very likely going to happen, you get a 5% move. With a little bit of leverage, yeah, you're making some pretty cool gains. You know, you use a 20x leverage, 10x leverage, you know, it can be a 50, 100% move to that 54. Why 54? Because it's a major support level. The price has reacted to this range. If you come up here, you take the short, and you don't take profits at this major level, which is a value area low here on the VPVR, we've been seeing resistance and support, then yeah, you might have that big bounce and get stopped out or break even, whatever you do. Take profits definitely at this range, because it's a major support level. I am going to eye ADA to trade this zone. Okay, just a quick opportunity right there. That's the highest probability trade that I do see, okay, in the next coming days. If we do reach that level, there is a possibility that that level is not going to be reached and we're going to continue down. Guys, remember, ADA can be traded on Bybit. You got a very nice bonus down below of up to $4,050. It's another way to support the channel, of course, because I get a small commission. But it's you do get the best bonus available. Okay, Ethereum analysis here for Jov. Absolutely, why not? Joseph, Mark Dutch, my mans, thank you very much for giving me insane support. Let's take a look at the at Ethereum right now, right away. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Just going through the comment section here right away just to see. Take a look at the comment section. But before we take a look at Ethereum, before we do the Ethereum analysis, I need you guys to absolutely destroy. I was going to say 500 likes. No way. Yeah, this is from yesterday's live stream. No 500 likes here. Make sure to absolutely crush that like button, guys. I know people, you know, just can't be bothered. I don't like any videos myself. I know people not bothered, but come on, guys, smash up that like button. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Let's take a look at Ethereum to see what's going on. Well, we do have a level here on Ethereum that's been rejected. I mean, this is all. This must have. I'm not sure if this was mentioned yesterday. I only remember Bitcoin most of the times. I do not remember the bunch of altcoins that I've taken a look, unless I have stuff on the chart. But we probably mentioned this on yesterday's stream. I'm not too sure right now, but this is the 15-minute chart. We can zoom out on the 1 hourly. I mean, just to keep it simple, we don't have to go far away on Ethereum. We don't have to take a look at the daily time frame and zoom out. These are some major levels that I did do yesterday, I think, because I wanted to get some stuff ready for the next stream. This is on the daily chart. If I zoom out from price action, okay, just so you know that this is, you know, these are why are daily levels important? Why are weekly levels important? If we take a look at the price action from January of 2021, look at these major daily levels. Okay, well, you can just see here, right, daily levels on as resistance, getting a bounce from this major daily zone, right? Why is it a daily zone? Because you have mainly a lot of daily closes. Okay, a lot of daily closes in this level, right? What level? The $1,370 range, where you did get a breakout and a beautiful bounce, a reaction right there. Easy peasy, easy money right there. So, you know, if we start breaking this zone, which Ethereum has, we need to find out where do we have the strongest levels of support. You have these daily levels where we did get a reaction on the price. Look at this. We have daily close and open on the Ethereum price exactly at the $1,040, $1,100 range. So if I fast forward here, you know, we have exactly got a reaction from this range. We did get a reaction from these daily levels. We go to the 4 hourly. These daily levels are getting a reaction, guys. You cannot make this up. You are getting that reaction. There are quick opportunities here to be taken. Maybe this level is not going to be broken anytime soon, and a bigger relief rally is possible. So if I just zoom in here on the chart, we could go to the 1 hourly. Huge spike created on the VPVR. The amount of volume here is absolutely crazy from the last, you know, couple of days trading this zone, of course. The biggest spike here is at the $1,220. We reached around about the $1,250, but getting that reaction from this major consolidation area. If we go to the 4 hourly, you know, these are 4 hourly levels also. 4 hourly levels right there. Big resistance zone. 4 hourly candles not managing to get above this area. If we come back up and retest the zone, you know, it's very likely going to get a short-term reaction, short-term, you know, resistance level, rejection. I mean, they are good trading opportunities right there. Just quick, you know, get in, protect positions, start taking profits at some major support levels. What support levels? You know, well, I can see already here where the price has reacted. If you're looking for scalping, day trades, right? this is a major zone. This is a major zone. What zone? The $1,160 level. Price of Ethereum has reacted to that level several times, okay? We didn't quite reach that range, almost right there, but we did break above. We managed to get supported even though we got rejected. So, you know, if you are shorting this major resistance, your take profit zone is going to be here at the $1,160 range. You know, this is already going to be a take profit zone. I think another leg down is very, very likely. Just guys, just to go through level to level, just so we understand how important these levels are. There is a possibility here on Ethereum. We do take a look at the 2 hourly chart. You know, are we forming a kind of inverse head and shoulder? These kind of patterns, you want to find them at a very end of a trend for a potential reversal. So this daily level can be very much respected. What daily level? The one that I just explained from January of 2021. We got one right over here getting a reaction. We got a nice consolidation. You can see that you do have this spike on the VPVR. This is exactly at this $1,110. It's a major daily level. You have a spike on the VPVR that is giving you that support. So if we do lose this zone, there is also a major quick opportunity here on Ethereum. Very likely that this level is going to get a bounce. What level? The $1,110. Spike on VPVR, major consolidation. It's a daily level like I showed you from January of 2021. We got, you know, Fibonacci retracement. The 61865 level is also at that zone from this major pump that we had from yesterday till today. Expect a potential reaction at least, you know, $1,110 range to approximately 1,160, level to level. So there's a potential opportunity right there. It's a potential move that is very, very likely going to happen. So, I mean, this is the cool thing about, you know, as being a trader, you trade level to level, right? You look for those opportunities level to level. You know, when you look at the price action right now, you basically have no idea. No trader has any idea what the price is going to do right now, right? But I don't care. As a trader, you do not care what the price does. You need to get your levels marked up, and, you know, that is it. You know, be ready to react at certain level. Where am I going to be ready to react at a level? Here is my trading opportunity right over here. Why is it your trading opportunity? Because it's a level that has been respected. It's a level that we have seen consolidations. It's a level where I do see a spike on the VPVR. Volume has been traded, you know, just the same as here. This was I mean, this happened early in the morning, but I would have probably taken this shorting opportunity, especially seeing this reaction at this level. If I would have turned on the live stream, you know, just, I mean, it was at 2 o'clock in the morning here. I would have said, guys, you know, this is very likely going to get rejected. We have huge volume here, value area high. We're not going to manage to break above it very likely. And we do have, you know, major resistance here. As you can see the reactions. So that was a short, but anyway, I'm not looking for shorts right now. I would be potentially looking for those longs. Long opportunity here, maybe at $1,100, $1,110. It's the 618 also from this major pump. Yeah, and it's a level to level trade. From support to resistance right there, because you might do this, you might do this. You can lock up some trades, maybe have some open just in case you are going to create that reversal inverse head and shoulder pattern. But yeah, it's definitely, it's very likely to get a bounce at this zone, the $1,110. That's my analysis on Ethereum, guys. Short term, okay, looking for those short-term opportunities. More interested right now, instead of swing trading, looking for those day trades, small swing trade position, you know, these positions that can be in between 1 day, 3 days, 4 days. Guys, let's take a look at what his Nepalese saying here. Hey Andy, have you heard of Littentree? What do you think of it? Thanks for the super chat, Nepalese. I have no idea what lit is. Let me just take a look here. Littentree, I think it's ranked 524. It's only a baby, 29 million market capitalization. I will take a look at it. Okay, I don't want to do project reviews on the live streams, but if you have joined the Telegram group, you can absolutely tag me, okay, in the next few hours, because I will have a quick look at this project. You know, take a look at their Twitter, their Telegram. What are their intentions? You know, as a crypto project, what do they want to do? Are they going to solve many issues? Are they projects that are, you know, do have competition? Going to take a look at their partnerships, their investors, and take a look at their roadmap, you know. But all of this, of course, there's too much information in the live stream. Thanks for the super chat, Nepalese. Make sure to join the Telegram group. You're always free to tag me there once in a while to ask some questions, and I will leave this window open to do some research. Identity is fragmented, okay. About Littentree, I mean, I will take a look at it, okay, but it's not going to be done here on the live stream. Thanks for the super chat. We can take a look at the chart, but as it's a very small market capitalization, you know, it's very likely had a big, we actually did some analysis on this, big massive fake out here on this kind of ascending triangle, big rejection. Not much here to add on this chart. Of course, we're just going to have a big major consolidation, I guess, and it might be a very nice accumulation zone on Littentree at this level. Not much to add. Very basic here analysis. You know, we are getting that reaction from this low support level, but I guess you want to know what the project is doing, if it's a good project or not. I will be taking a look at this project, okay, in my spare time. Of course, I like to take a look at crypto projects, of course, as a cryptocurrency investor, apart from a trader, to see what are these guys solving. Thanks for the super chat. Make sure to join the Telegram. Tag me there afterwards. We can have a conversation about the project. Andy is an island boy, says Mark Touch. You crazy man. Got some crazy moderators, guys. If you've been for a while supporting the channel, following me, you know we got some crazy mods. They are great guys. We've got some crazy followers also, which are also good guys. You know, just want to have some fun. Hope everybody doesn't feel offended of what has happened on Telegram, because there's been a little bit of some fights in between some people. Guys, we are a community. We are here to share knowledge, to have a good time, give us support, okay? You can talk about anything. If somebody wants a conversation, they can have it. Very much respect, okay? Much respect in the general chat for the Telegram group, guys. Make sure to join it. We have some great guys there having a laugh. Also talking about trading. Apart from talking about trading opportunities, we are there to have a good laugh. Mark Dutch is a crypto legend. You got that right. Also, Joseph. So, well, you stuck with us, so deal with it. Exactly. I need to deal with the mods, because yeah, they've been there for such a long time. Good or bad, it is what it is. We are spicy, said Scotty. Absolutely, guys. I'm going to finish. I'm going to wrap up. I've got some major stuff to do. Okay. I hope this has been clear. We've been taking a look at Ethereum, taking a look at ADA, a little bit of Bitcoin, you know, major levels. Thank you guys for joining. Remember, you got insane bonuses, okay, on Prime XBT. If you want to trade traditional stock markets, you know, or crude oil, gold, natural gas, you name it, they got Forex here, and using crypto as collateral, no KYC, baby. So all of that, you know, that all those gains that you make it here, it is totally anonymous. Shh, don't tell anyone. So I mean, this is an incredible platform. Prime XBT is one of my favorites for accumulating Bitcoin, you know, trading different other markets. I'm using Bitcoin as collateral, so this is the time to accumulate. Let's try and accumulate as much Bitcoin as we can for the next coming years to absolutely have a wonderful and peaceful life ahead of us, guys. Financial freedom, that is the goal. Okay, absolutely. Make sure to crush that like button. Check out the Bitcoinsensus website for the latest news, technical analysis ideas, okay, that we do have here, free information that we got on the website. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.